Holy Spirit. On the birth of the Virgin Mary, who suffered under Pontius Pilate, who was crucified, died, and was buried. He ascended to the dead, and the third day rose again. He ascended to heaven, and is seated right hand of God, Father Almighty. From there shall come judge the living and the dead. I believe in the Holy Spirit,